Now we see the snoring man in the wilderness, and we cannot sleep because my father in the wild, he is snoring really loud, and I can't take anymore. I'm just gonna watch YouTube then. Now he's snoring in the wild. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. I put a pillow in my hand. Oh, come on, in the wilderness. Now we see the national habitat about my dad snoring when sleeping. Even doing cigarettes every time, every night, and after eating. I really hate it. Mommy, do you hate it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, Go ahead, do you hate it?
Kuya is also smoking.
Go ahead, do you hate it? Do you hate snoring, Kuya? Kuya, do you hate snoring? Okay. Me too. I hate snoring. Now is he the national habitat? Snoring no badness. What time is it?
10.
10 p.m. and he's snoring in a wilderness. It takes so long.
He was gonna snore the whole day, the whole night.
He's gonna snore the whole night in the wild. I'm just gonna listen to a song when I'm sleeping.